Okay, so this is the Fusion X Camo Black from Ringke. Let's see how this one looks like. Ooh, interesting. I like this. Obviously, what they're saying here is that you have to remove the plastic film from inside. Yeah, I don't think it has one outside, but I won't remove it just yet. So this one you can clearly see how it's done. It has two parts, this plastic thing and the outside. All the cutouts are done nicely, FX in there. Volume up and down. I like this little thing so you'll know which one is volume up in the dark. Yeah, so let's just put it on. See how it looks like. Okay. Not as easy as the other ones. We'll start slowly from one corner. And then we just go around. Make sure it's all sealed and in position. Again, it's not bulky. You can see a bit of your phone color, which is quite nice. Really nice grip as well. Buttons nicely covered. You have this scooped in there. Reinforced on all corners. The cutouts are very precise. And yeah, really nice. Slim design again. And then if you look at the top, it's raised in here a bit. So all that side is raised and the bottom raised as well. On the cameras, it's all raised as well. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to remove. So we'll start from here. I feel like the weakest point in this case should be this area in here. It doesn't have much. I'm not sure why they've done it like that, but yeah.